Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Start with some cards and see what we get. Synchronicity is a love letter from the universe across time and space. Number 24, or it says number 6. Do you believe in synchronicities? In relationships, the biggest thing you must look for is consistency. Every time you forgive someone who is not being consistent with you, you are giving them permission to hurt you again and again. You deserve better. It's a good reminder. Divinity. Every moment is filled with divinity, so cherish it. Soul family, call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. Who do you call your soul family? Maybe it's time to add some new people to it. True love. Your wholeness and safety lie within, not from a partner. But this sovereignty actually leads to the deepest intimacy for you to stop using others. Let me stand on my own feet, dear Lord, and know true love. Gratitude. Find just one thing that you feel grateful for right now and let that gratitude pour through your body. It's a healing balm, like the warmth of the sun. Spring of beauty. My world is a spring of beauty. I nourish my spirit with music, art, and creativity that inspires me. I live a life of inspiration. Voice. I am confident in what I bring to the table. My mind holds unique ideas and perspectives that deserve their rightful place in any conversation. Pig. Maintain self-worth and self-esteem. Archangels Mary, Gabriel, and Uriel. Number 26, purity. Return to innocence. What can you do today to play with your inner child? Let's try this one. Perspective number 765. Now is the time for weirdos, artists, rebels, dreamers, and divergent thinkers. Everything that made you an outsider in the old world has prepared you to be a leader in the new world. Surround yourself with humans who create their lives, people who change more than they complain, create more than they consume, live actively instead of accepting life as is. Find people chasing down their potential and dreams. Perspective number 654. Mistakes don't define you. How you treat yourself afterwards does. Self-compassion is the foundation of real growth. Perspective number 199. Your body never forgets how a person made your nervous system feel. Perspective by Dr. Nick. We live in a world where walking 20 minutes is considered exercise. Eating real food is called dieting. And not drinking alcohol makes you the weird one. Be different. You'll feel amazing. And the last one today. I'm going to need some of you to start getting weirder. I can't keep pulling all of the weight. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigas.